ఇంకా తీసుకోండి బైక్ కూడా పిచ్చర్లో కెమెరా అయిపోయింది అవసరం లేదు
అన్న కొద్దిగా ప్లీజ్
वेरी गुड संख्या रोड डालने हैं वेरी गुड जगह में ना बाहर जगह में ना more people will come out in large numbers and exercise the right to vote because the more number of people in higher percentage they come out and vote, that would be a very strong signal for our democracy. And this is the only time wherein people of Telangana or people of India will get a golden opportunity to exercise their choice of which candidate should they favor or which party. And I hope that they will come out and exercise their choice.
So we see a new political coalition coming up against you. How far that will be a challenge for you?
ఓకే
And you see, life is full of challenges. Life is not a bed of roses. It's not a walk in a garden. And always face challenges.